Hello everyone, it's been a while since we've shown you a Cougar Half-Ton. This is the Cougar 29 MBS, really awesome family floor plan. It actually has a mid-bunk plus a bunch of other additional sleeping spots for your friends and family. This particular camper comes out weighing a little bit over 8,800 pounds with a tip-to-tip length of 32 feet 10 inches. So here at the front you have your pin box. And then just above is the patented hitch vision, so you can line up your tow vehicle with your pin box looking through your rear view mirror and then through the patented hitch vision. Accent lights on your front cap, which looks super great. They're like an amber color. And then just below there, you have a place for your battery plus some additional storage. You are prepped for Furrion side marker cameras if you want those. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. And a huge amount of pass-through storage, so you can have tables, chairs, rugs, maybe even your kids' bikes and stuff in here, floaties for the beach, whatever you want. It probably will definitely fit in there. Satellite and cable hookup plus power if you want to get a TV placed here in your pass-through storage and just have it set up. You also have power on the outside as well. And then you have your oversized grab handle leading into your camper. Nice solid steps that also fold in very nicely. 2 power awnings to relax underneath, so you pretty much have the entire length of the camper for your outdoor living space. Bluetooth capable outside speakers. And then moving along, you also have a rear ladder, so just before leaving from your campsite, you can climb up there and just check up on your roof and slide out. Make sure there's no acorns or sticks, leaves, anything like that in your roof or slide outs. It's just a maintenance purpose. It makes things a lot easier. You are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one of those. And then you have 2 slide outs on your non-camping side. And then the other side of your pass-through storage, you have your water hookups. So external shower, it does come with a hose that you see right there. You can connect that and be able to extend it out, rinse off your sandy legs, muddy shoes, give your dogs a bath, rinse off your kids' grimy, dirty fingers, anything like that. And then down below, you have your multi-source signal controller for that key TV. Winterize city water connection, open your black and gray tanks, and then when you have all of your hoses ran, you can open this up and be able to hide it all while still closing this oversized pass-through storage door, so it all looks nice and neat. And then here's access to your water heater. This also has auto leveling, which is definitely pretty awesome and very easy to use. So now let's take a look at the inside. So coming all the way to the front, we have our master bedroom, queen size bed with the additional storage underneath. You have nightstands on both sides that also have cabinet doors, so you can kind of keep things nice and neat, hide all of your belongings and stuff in there. Plus there is also raised up shelves too for some more personal belongings. Power outlets and USB ports are on both sides to charge your electronics or even plugging in a sleep app machine. And then above each nightstand, you have your his and hers closet, so you can fold your clothes up in there with the 2 extra cabinets that kind of connect in between. You are also prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom if you want one. And then one of those slide outs on our non-camping side is for your wardrobe. Built-in clothes rack that extends all the way across. You just have 3 entrances into there. And then you also have the really pretty mirror panels on them. And then each door has its own drawer as well. It's nice that it's all clean looking with the drawers placed in there. And then at the foot of your bed is a spot for a TV if you want one. And then coming in through here, we have our bathroom. Love the barn style sliding door for that extra privacy. Porcelain foot flush toilet with ample amount of leg space, so you aren't knocking your knees on anything or feeling extra claustrophobic. Kind of like an open compartment, maybe for some toilet paper. And then you have your cabinet door for towels and washcloths. Nice towel rack right there. And then a sit-down shower, great for relaxing. Love the clear shower glass door. I think it makes it feel a lot more open in here. Skylight is there up above, as well as a vent fan too. And then across from your toilet, you have some storage below your sink. Nice stainless steel sink too. And then this angled faucet and handles and stuff. Power, plus your medicine cabinet. And then above our steps is the in-command system. So through this touchscreen, you are able to access your lights, control your AC, check your tanks and stuff, see how full they are. But they also have an app that you can download for free and be able to do it from your phone. So if you're relaxing on the couch, you don't want to get up, you want to turn the AC down in a hot summer day, you can do that without getting up, which is pretty amazing. Nice handrail leading up those steps. And then I always forget to mention this, but sometimes campers have these like accent lights that kind of light up the stairs. So if you happen to get up in the middle of the night, it's all nice and lit up. You don't trip and fall down the stairs. And then across from our entrance into the camper, you have this nice little benched area. Put whatever you want there. There's also power outlets and USB ports, even a couple hooks for your keys and dog leashes, and a additional cabinet there up above. Now what makes this camper so interesting is that there is a mid-bunk. So this is a great space for your kids, your in-laws, older kids, friends wanting to come stay with you. And the ceilings are just so tall in here. So with this mid-bunk, you are rated for 300 pounds, so a full-size adult is able to sleep up there. You can latch this too, so if you want to take advantage of this sofa down here without hitting your head, you can just quickly lift it up. But the sofa does also turn into a sleeping space. And then this is not carpet located in the slide out. It's like an outdoor rug material. To my left, you have ceiling to floor closet storage space for your kids. Show you what that looks like. Built-in shelf there and also a clothes rack. And then there is a spot for a TV. You have hookups and stuff for it. And then just behind me, you have this kind of little desk area. So if you wanted to put a chair right there, you can, maybe your laptop, but also that could be a spot for a TV too. Storage below and up above. And then coming into the rest of the camper, to my left, you have your sofa, nice and plush, and this also folds into a sleeping space. Perfect view of your entertainment center, all electric fireplace down below, and this actually kicks off some heat. Bluetooth speaker system is just above. That's where you can put your DVDs in, connect your phone to outside speakers, couple drawers on either side, and then a huge 4K Ultra HD swivel TV, more storage. Just next to your sofa is a booth dinette that also converts into a sleeping space. So you could have your cousins, your kids, everyone that you want come on your camping trip with you. The legs of the table are mounted against the wall, so you don't have to worry about your knees knocking against them if you are a taller person. And then the sale price comes out to be $49,999. And then turning back around into this gorgeous cream colored kitchen. This is part of their new and updated colors with the 2021 series. It's driftwood. Starting over here, we have a massive amount of pantry storage space. Stainless steel refrigerator, plus an additional cabinet there up above. Microwave range hood, 3-burner stove top with this glass cover. And then there's your oven. All of this storage space is below your sink area, and look at all of this countertop space too. Lots of room for food prep. There's power on both sides. The one on the left also has a USB port, so you can have your coffee maker there, your air fryer right there. There's just so much room for it. And then another thing that I love about this camper is you have 2 windows here on your kitchen space. So there's just going to be a lot of natural light coming in. Plus the window just behind your sink is huge. It's super tall. And then your sink is 50-50 split stainless steel with a spray nozzle. But that is it for this Cougar, you guys. Any sort of questions or concerns, feel free to let us know.